Hello everyone, my name is Nimit and I'm one of the Salesforce Trailblazer. Actually, the topic is all about what is Salesforce Community Cloud. Yeah, I just want to know the basic understanding of it. Probably I can help you more in the demos. Right, so Salesforce Community Cloud is an online social platform for companies to create branded sites connecting customers, employees, and partners with each other. That's true. Types of communities are customer community, employee community, and partner community. Yes. So, in the full demo, I would cover up each and everything that how we can create Salesforce Community Cloud site. Let's go for it. So we are on the setup page of the Salesforce org, right? So obviously you have to sign up and log into Salesforce. So now coming to how to create a Salesforce community site portal, right? So the first thing is that like obviously you need to on the top right hand side you will see the setup icon, right? The gear up icon. You have to click on setup. Once you click on setup, you would find the same exit, the same UI, what exactly in front of you, right? On the quick find box on the left hand side, you have to type digital experience. If you type digital, you would get that, right? You would find many options under digital. So you have to click on all sites. So once you click on all sites, right, you might have created in your past, many community site earlier. You have not, so you can, you can click on new. But before clicking on new, you should know the governor limits, right? It says maximum numbers of published and unpublished sites. It's 100, right? So this is the governor limit, which is given. However, now we'll come back to now. We have to create a new all site. So we click on new. So now once we click on new, you would find many templates, many options. So you can browse by like, all marketing, sales, service, commerce, right? If you click on marketing, you would find this, you would click on sales. So you would find this particular dashboard and so on. And if you click on service, you would find all these things in commerce, so on. So I'll let it be click on all, right? And you can scroll down, you can choose any of the templates that you want to work on, right? As per the requirements, right? You want to create for the clients or for anything as per your requirements and what the client asks for, right? So I'll probably what shall go on. I should click on help center. Let's take a customer help center like example. Once you click on this, you would drag into another section that which will help you to tell you that what exactly the help center would be about this template, right? The features, self-service, curated knowledge, case deflection, guest case creation. So see, if you can see, if I click on the drop down, see there are many of those, right? On the as per these features on the left hand side, you'll see many of those, right? So what you have to do, you have to click on get started. So probably it would ask you the name, right? And below there's a URL. So I would probably suggest you like, on this particular URL at the end, it says my.site.com and forward slash, and there would be name. So a name should be identified after the URL. So people should remember, oh, okay, this is what is particularly it's all about. The URL is all about, right? So probably I can choose help center. Help center. Okay. I'll just create that and open optional. Also, it's optional, but I would say, right, please mention it. Okay. And here's a create. I have to click on the create button. Okay. The site was created now. So it hadn't took a lot of time, to set up because it's all in front of you only. Now in this workspace, obviously, which I've created by the name of help center, right? So over here, the workspace, you will find many options, right? So you would find builder, moderation, content management, gamification, dashboards, administration, right, and guided setup, right? So obviously for here, you can choose any of those, and you would find on the top right hand side add metrics. So add metrics, I would say probably it's used for the sales reps, right, for the sales marketing portals or sites that you create for, right, and for the internal organization, and that we can link with the dashboards, right? And over here, obviously, see your favorite metrics right away. So it's an install app exchange package. So whatever the package that you have and what you want to, the app that you want to link or to integrate over here on your particular portal website, uh, given by the Salesforce. So you can do that, right? But however, I would leave it as it is. I just show you the normal way, right? So you have to click on the builder. Builder says build, brand, and customize your site's page. Click on this. Once you click on this, so definitely you are on the help page center, which which we have chosen one of those templates of help center, right? Now, see here, this is how the UI looks like. The content, sidebar, and many others options are there, so you can change it as per your need, right? On the top left hand side, you will see home. It's mentioned home over here. The setup icon, the get up icon, it says page property. If I click on this, so definitely over here it will share contact support error over the left hand side, find page and all, right? You can create a new page as well. So new page is meant you can add like about, uh, I believe you have seen certain websites say home, about us, then contacts, then blogs, and certain things, right? Products and so on, right? So this is what it is, and this is the page variation, right? The variation, right? As of now it is unpublished, so I can click on and do I can do certain, create certain things. I can create a duplicates and so on, right? Properties, if I come down, so say name, right? The URL is given over here. You can URL is given, the API name is given. If you scroll down, say SEO homepage, SEO may, like home, if you write mention over here, right? So this is the particular layout over here, right? uh, so probably now, coming to the point, like we have talked spoke about like the home and certain, the top pages, when we talk about the top pages, right? So I'll just show you some of the certain navigations over here. So if you click on the drop down arrow, so definitely you would find all these options, and if you click on new page, you can create home and so on. So let's do this. So if you click on new page, it says object page or standard. I'll click on standard page, right? New blank page, just click on flexible layout and click on next. Enter the name. I would say about. Then API name is also, I'll put it about. Okay. Then click on create. So once this is done, see again, the another thing has been created, that is about page. Earlier it was home, now it has been created over here, right? If you come back over here with the home page, again there's a home page over here, right? So this is how you can create a page. So I'll create two more or probably three more. Hardly does matter, but yes, at the time of publishing and after preview it, so how it looks like, so this will be very very crazy, right, to see that. So if I click on new page, again click on standard page, then click new blank page, then flexible layout page. So these are the pop-ups appearing for for new page. So I'll just click on this and let's click on next. Make sure that you click on flexible layout, right? And over here, and its name, obviously I would put on products. Okay, and I'll put S products. Right. Once you click on products, 1 minute. So you have to write over here products. I'll just choose one of those products and click on create. So this has been created. This page also has been created now, right? So again, probably now if you go back on the top, so it says home, then about, then product will come also over here, right? Now product is over here. So if I go back now, for click on new page, again I have to click on standard page, then and click on this new blank page, then click on this flexible layout and click on next, right? I'll just enter anything such like news, same. API also remain the same. The URL also remain the same. All same, right? Click create, right? And I'll create one more thing, that is, again click on this standard page and click plus, and then click on this button plus new blank page. Then click on flexible layout. Click on next, and I'll just write blogs, and the API name also will remain the same, blogs, and click on create. Right. And the last important and the last thing is that I will create, that is contact. Everyone knows that we need a contact tab over here, the contact page. I'll just click on new page. I click on standard page and click this on this button plus new blank page, and just click on this flexible layout and click on next. Right, and I just write contact, contact. It also all remains same. Click on create. Okay. So as of now, I will not publish, but how I know how this would look like. So probably, it will look on the series home, about, and so on, products and so on, right? So I'll just come on home page. Okay. So now we have created the new blank page, how it's been created. Now I'll just stimulate certain things, or the certain features that what we have in this particular home page, and how we can customize and build a brand. So on the left hand side, you will see many boxes. Right over here, you have components. If I click on this component, so definitely you will find many components. You can click the HTML editor, rich content editor, and so on. And you can change as per title menu. Also, you can do and visual. You can add visual pages, files. You can add this, right? Flows. You can add records and so on. See, you have many features, man. Many features, right? So on this particular theme, you can select the theme. As of now, I don't know how it's looking like. The background, if you want to change the particular theme, you can click on change theme, and probably you would find many of those. So I'll probably click on this citizen. This is looking very crazy. I'll just click on this activate. It's asking for activate the citizen theme. I'll just activate this theme. So now the theme has been activated. See, this is what it is looking like, right? So yes, this is what the craziest thing, right? Image, you can put your company logo over here. So probably I have one of those. I'll just add it. But in that, over here we can do a upload. Once you click on this, update your logo over here. So I click on upload image. So it would ask me to add it. So probably might have created, so I'll just check over here. So it might be in your PNG or JPG format, right? So probably this has been added. Okay, see, this has been added. My channel name Limited logo has been added. Okay. Uh, Anything else, my friend? No. Okay. Here's a drop down again. So you can do this very easily. So I have added my logo over here. Right. Okay. Now on this page structure, this page is the template header, compact header, customized user, compact header. This is customized user profile menu, right? And this obviously on this compact header, you see here on the right hand side, you would see, certain, options, more properties related to, the content, uh, the page structure and many other things, right? You can edit using the right option. These are the tabs or options, so you can change it over here, right? Then you can theme navigation menu, right? You can add these things. So these are certain things how it looks like, right? Probably yes, and this is called setting. So setting, obviously, you can choose language, themes, and so on. Developer updates, SEO as well, advanced, mobile publisher as well, right? So this is how it would look like. Then navigation as well, right? So I'll just close it. So now, if I want to change this particular background, if you see this sunflower, or I don't know what sort of like flower it is, but anyway, it looks pretty, yeah. But if I want to change this particular background, so how it would do that? If how we would do this? Click on this particular background. On the right hand side, you would see the options have been popped up, and you see the background. We have seen many options, layouts, and certain things as well. Primary button, secondary button, and all, right? Uh, Click on this background. Once you click on this, you will see this particular image, right? Image layout, fill, scale to fill. You have many options over here. So if you click on this image, I'll click on this. It says upload image, right? Click on this upload image. Probably I would have my wallpaper. I'll just add it over here. Anyway, let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this has been updated over here. So now in front of you, obviously, this is how it will look like of changing the background images, right? Image. So obviously I'm there on LinkedIn, one of the trailblazers as well. So you can guys follow me. And even though I'm on YouTube as well with my channel Limit Tech, you can see the logo on the top left hand side. So if you want to change this particular, the text, the content which is mentioned in front of the, background, right? So click on this, right? On the right hand side, the pop would appear and it would says to, there would see many options. Click on the content, right? So content says show caption text, summer, summer beach, California, and so on. So probably watch my, watch my YouTube channel, watch my YouTube channel. Okay, watch my YouTube channel, right? And probably would choose any of those, but I'll choose white because it's looking a little attractive, right? It should be a little bright. And if you scroll down a little, so you can change the caption text color and so on, right? Right. So so the title text probably I will just write just write limit tech. Okay, limit tech, and I will just scroll down, right? Just nothing much, right? Now, particularly this on this thing, right? And now you see everything over here. Uh, Now there's a called button over here, right? So if you click on this button, so definitely you would find the primary button, secondary button. So now if I click on the primary button, so definitely I would have this. So I can change this. Is that I just write YouTube, YouTube channel. Okay, and probably I'll just give a link. So I'll just give the link of this YouTube channel. So I would say I'll just give a particular link I have given there. And probably if I click this open in a new tab, so yes, I'll ask them to open in a new tab. The button text, the you see button text color, right? The button text hover. So you know how it changes, right? Button background color. So I will just select the button background color, use custom color. So probably how YouTube button looks like, it looks like red. Okay, it looks like red, so I'll just choose this. And hover color, I will choose again little light. I'll just go with little light. Okay, cool. See, right? So this is how it is. And button border radius, so probably you would see the changes happening over here, right? You would see the changes happening over here, the border radius. Okay. So now secondary buttons are obviously, particularly show button, you can add certain search component, you can add the button over here, right? So this is the front thing. It's been the front thing has been done, but probably instead of the caption watch my YouTube channels, I would say please like, share, follow, and subscribe. Cool. This has been done now. Okay. So okay, cool. So this has been done. So now to close it, I can go on the top, scroll up, and click on X. ठीक है ना? So see how this has happened. This is the front which I have created. Now see adding components, certain things. So definitely this is the home page, how it's looking like as a home page, right? So obviously now, obviously to this is what the homepage has been created now. I feel like if just a little bit, I'll just say add some certain things over here. I will not go in full detail, right? Which is little important. So of coming down on this, like if you want to add certain headers and related to that, so obviously what you have to do. So here at see, you cannot even select something, or I'm clicking it, you cannot do anything. But what you need to do, you need to add a component over here. So, which we have discussed earlier about this component. You click on this, you find many. You can write an HTML editor. You can drag over here. You can do whatever thing. You can drag it, a rich content editor. So you need to drag it. So click करो यहाँ पर, drag करके यहीं paste कर दो. हो गया. ठीक है. And over here you can, you can see, you can edit over here. ठीक है. अब now for that case मैंने obviously मैंने copy paste किया था about like I'm just mentioning about India Dreamin only. मैंने copy paste किया था. So what you can do, so आपके पास देखो सारा यहाँ पर bold, italic, underline and many asterisks आ जाएगा यहाँ पर, strike out भी आ जाएगा, right? So probably what I'll do, I'll just write India Dreamin 2023. Uh, okay. Salesforce pre premier uh, premier event at Ahmedabad. Cool. Probably you can also select this. You can make it bold as well. You can probably increase the size as well over here. ये तो छोटा हो गया. I'll just make it a little high side में. ठीक है, और बड़ा कर देते हैं. And you can also increase the size of the below fonts, below, below as well, right? अभी 26 यार. ठीक है, और इसको कर देते हैं. Oops. I just put it 18. Cool. And just need to set it up. Okay. So this has been set it up, right? How it is looking like, and probably also, you can add an image over here as well. ठीक है, image भी डाल सकते हो यहाँ पर. So probably for image, यार मैं enter करता हूँ. Let's see, I'll just add an image, देखते हैं. Right, upload image. हाँ, मैं गया था इंडियन ड्रीमन में. So I'll just put all the inspiring leaders images over here, and probably now it's been uploading now. So yes, this has been getting uploaded. So ये देखो, ये आपके सामने आ गया इंडिया ड्रीमन, right? It's a huge, मतलब बहुत बड़ी collage है ये. This has been created, right? Which is also there in my LinkedIn, right? So guys, this is all about, right now, for the home page. ये सारा home page का ही है, right? Now coming back to, I'll just come back to about. Right. See, about में यार, you can write about us, whatever thing is that you can, आप उसमें आप, आप डाल सकते हो about में, right? Again, you have to, write, you can add certain components over here, right? You can drag and drop. So probably on this about me, probably what should I write, right? So probably I can, add certain things to component option and drag this rich content editor and throw over here, right? So now you can write anything, right? So yes, guys. So in this about me page, we have created for the home page, and about me, the thing that you have able to see over here about me, about myself, what I have done in my technologies, my career, and so on. So this is how it happened. If you click on the component over here on the left hand side, right? If you click on the component, you will see many options. Out of that is rich content editor, right? You have to drag and drop over here. So see, you can see on the top, rich content editor, and you can write everything. Right. And now in that case, if you scroll down, so you would, you how you can add multiple of images. So probably I would add my inspiring leaders right over here. So probably in that case, again, I have to go on this component, and again, I have to select this rich content editor to drag and drop over here. See, rich content editor shows. Now, suppose I'll just take an example. I have add a few and just checking, I will just help you how to add another. So I'll just help you in adding another 1 minute. Okay. So in this case, what we have to do is that, see, if on the top you could see there are many options, bold, italic, and so on. At the last, you would see image. Click on this image, right? I'll just click on upload image, right? And you can probably add, you can probably add, as many. So I'll just add, which is I'm missing. One is this one. Okay, so this has been added. So what you have to do is that you have to adjust it. See, I'm trying to adjust it. Okay, so I have, where is it, man? Okay, here. So this has been on your screen set now. Okay, and the missing part as well. So I can click on this image icon and click on upload image, and the image which is missing. So you can add this. Okay, so you have to again adjust it, right? Until the image gets, so just little adjust it. Okay, got it. So just adjust it to their size. So here you see, you can, there are four dots. So you can select one of the dots and you can scroll little, make it smaller. Okay, got it. So guys, this is how, I mean, it has been done, and you can make it little, shorter as well. I mean, this is how it will look like. Okay, so this is how this is, it has been done. So I've added as many. So it will be amazing to see at the time of, after publishing, then preview. It will be amazing, right? So now we will go back to the product, right? Product page. We need to add certain products over here, right? So if you click on this about section, the top, don't click on this gear up icon, just click the drop down and just find products. Yeah, it is products. Click on this. Now once we click on the product page, so probably now we have to add regarding the product, right? So probably I thought like you need to add certain images about the product that Salesforce, that we use in Salesforce clouds, right? So again, what I'll do is that I will just add the rich content editor. Click on the component over here on the left hand side and just find the rich content editor, just drag over here. Okay. So once you probably drag, so this has been activated. So you have to click on edit content. Okay. So now we have to write probably products of Salesforce. Cool. We'll just write this and we'll select the font size. Okay, that's cool. That's enough. And we just add images, right, step by step. Though we have added images over there, now we will be adding images front of you. Okay, click on this upload image, and over here just you can find from, I'll just go from the beginning. Okay, and just click this, the service cloud. So the image has been uploaded over here. It's been over here. So I'll just make it, though it's in huge in size. So there are four dots. Taking one of those dots, I'll just make it small in size. Okay, cool. I made it small. Right. This is for the service cloud which I've added. Now just add another one. Click again here. Click on the upload image, and you can choose again one of those. So now the sales cloud has so now the sales cloud has been added. I'll just make it small in size. Okay, cool. I'll just add another image. Here is the image button, and so forward. You can add, you know, you can add multiple of images over here, right? It's just only thing you need to make it in the sequence the right way, and you can make it short as well. Though in front of you, I've made it short. Okay, cool. So this I have done. So you can create as many, just follow, I'll just follow step by step, right? This is the best way to follow step by step, right? And have patience, right? I'll just make it, this I have done for the health cloud. Ooh, I will do for the another cloud, that is education cloud. Okay, 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 this is for the now finance cloud. I'll add another one. This is for the manufacturing cloud, which I've added. Manufacturing cloud, okay. So this has been done. I have added all the products of the Salesforce over here, and now probably this has been done. So I will move on to the next, page. So that says probably news. So probably now we are in the news page. So what we have to do is that we have to update certain news which are upcoming. Like probably it might be a sessions, or it might be it might be a session. So it might be a particular link, or we can give something which is upcoming. You can say events basically. So what we'll do is that let's do one thing. Let's click on the component and just drag this rich content editor over here. Okay. Now, referring to this edit content, probably I would say for the news, I'll just write news like this. Okay. We'll just write news like this. We'll select the font size. Okay. And we'll come down. And probably for this news, let's do one thing. We'll add some logos, and referring to that logos, we'll put that link referring to it, so they can redirect to the particular page. Okay, now, so here we have, on this new section, so obviously we need to add certain images, and beyond that particular images, we'll put a link so they can be redirected to that particular, news. Probably they might have an existing particular, latest news. So particularly, let's put in we select one images, upload an image, just put an, India Dreaming example, right? So though we have this particular image, so it's very huge in size. Uh, So I'll just make it small. Okay, got it. Okay, now referring to this, image, we'll put a link. So we need to put a link over here. So what we'll just select over, we'll select this, and we'll click on this. You can see, and just before the image is a link option. It's in a chain, like a chain. Click on this, right? Enter the URL. I've entered the URL, and probably this might be open in a new window. So yes, click on OK. Make sure this is clicked. Open a new window and click on OK. Cool. This has been done. And now again, coming to this later section, we'll add another, probably another image, right? So again, this image reflects the mule driven, mule driven event which is going to happen in October. So right, I'm very excited. One of the volunteer over here. Okay, you can adjust this by the space and all. And again, once you click here, so once you click here, particularly you again the chain section, click on the chain section and just enter the URL. Make sure that this should be checked out. Like I mean, or open in a new window. Click on OK. Cool, that's done. And moving ahead, I'll just upload another one. Why I'm taking so much time? Because guys, you need to make aware, because most of the videos which I've seen, they're very short, in 7, 9 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm making for you guys. Okay, click on this. I'll click on this link option and just enter the URL, and I'll click on OK. So guys, I'm done with this particular news section. So you can add many news in terms of words, paragraphs, or images. So I just made it a simple way, right? And the last section, probably it's all about, like, not the last, it's particularly the blogs, right? So in blog section, probably I would just enter my, the videos links which are on YouTube channel, right, by the name of Tech, right? So we need to add certain things, right? So probably I would add certain pictures one by one, and on that basis I would add the links, right? So now what to do is that, like, again, on the top left hand side you see components. Click on that and just drag the rich content editor over here in the middle, right? So when it is done, so click on edit content and I'll just write uh, blocks. Okay, I'll just put in caps. Just write blocks. Okay, and I'll select the font. uh, I've selected for everyone. I'll select for 26. Okay. Now we have to add pictures over here. Now how we do that? Okay. So here is the banner over here. You have to click on this image. Click on upload image, right? And you can click any one of those. So I'll just click this one. Okay. So this has been added. So I'll just make it small in size. Okay, just make it small, so because you have to add many of those if you have such, right? And after this, like probably you know I'll copy the link now. So now we have to copy the link. So I'll do for the rich content editor, like I'll just click on this, select this, and there's a link option over here. I'll just click here and I'll just add the URL. Make sure it should open in a new window, so I'll make it remain ticked, right, and click on OK. Right. Now moving forward, so I need to put a space bar, like give a gap, and I'll just add another one. Right. I'll just add one or two. After that, you can add as many. That is just an example. So here, I'll just add this one. Here the image has been added. Now I'll just drag and make it. I just adjust it and make it small in size. Cool. Okay. Now Now for this second one, I'll just again click on this and click on this particular link, and I'll just copy the URL over here and click on OK. Right. So this is, guys, how it is done. Right. So till now, I have added all these files associated with their links and all. Right. So this is what the blogs is. Right. So you can add as many depending on your file size. Right. Now, coming to the last section, that is the contacts. Right. Again, go to the click on the above blocks and the drop down arrow, and here's the contact. So once you're here on the contact page, so again, you need to go in the component, right? And in the component here, probably you can select the rich content editor, dragged over here, right? So once you are here, click on the edit content, and yep, and here what you can write, contact contact me. Just write contact me, right? I'll just select this the size. Okay, I'll come down. Okay, so I believe this is the one. Now I'll just make it little the font big in this. Okay, and I'll put this particular thing in bold. So in this case, what I'll do is that, like, on this email, I cannot do anything, but in yes, in Trailblazer, what I'll do, particularly in this Trailblazer, what I'll do is that, like, I mean, though I have selected it, what I'll do, if someone clicks on this particular this Trailblazer, my link, the person should be redirected to that. So I'll just click on this link and enter the URL over here. I should open the new window and click on OK. Clicks on my LinkedIn link. So this person should go to my LinkedIn page. I'll just select this channel name, link, and let's copy this and click OK. So, guys, this is till now what I have completed till now, right? I've created each and everything. Now it's a time to publish and preview, how it would look like, right? So, what we do in that case, we need to click on publish, right? We'll click on publish, right? So, yes, I made it a name as Help Center, right? You can change your name. You can you can give your any name of it, right? So, I'll just click on publish. Now I will click on preview. Okay, preview and so on. Okay, preview and so on. Okay, we'll click on this. We'll try to click on home. Okay, so this is how it is looking like. Okay, so now we have completed, right? So in this particular thing, how we come to know that, on the top menus, if you click on home, products, what we have, the pages that we have created, we have to click there, we have to go over there. So on the top you would see, right? So you have to click on the theme navigation. Click on this, right? On the right hand side you will see, it says over here, it's, you have to increase the max items to display. So I'll just click on 8, right? Drag to 8, right? I'll put it to center only, right? And over here default menu, I'll put it default, but however I do edit default navigation. Click on that, right? So now I'll just cross check this topic, right? So the home is already been there, right? Home to pehle hi tha wahan par. We'll just add items over here, right? So the item name we have to put over here. One is about. So here the item menu over here we have named as about. Then type is site page, because over here only we have created site page, right? And the page obviously we have linked with that particular page. It's about, right? I'll just save menu, right? So here is the about that we have done, and again we'll be doing for other things as well. Again, click on the default navigation over here, right? Add another menu item. Click on this button, and over here we'll just write, uh, probably it was products. Again, click on this drop down type and select on site page. Click on this drop down page and probably will find products. Yeah, products. Make it check this publicly available. Save menu. Click here. Again, we'll go on the edit default navigation. Click over here. Add another item, menu item over here, and this would be uh, news. Probably, yeah, news. Okay, and type is site page, and select this news over here, and click this publicly available and click on save menu, right? And again, if we have to do it again, do it for default, edit default navigation. Click here, and again click on add menu item. Over here we'll write just blogs. Click on this drop down, click on the site page over here, and blogs click करना था, ये रहा blogs. Click on this checkbox publicly available and click on save menu. Again, for now we have to do for the contacts, right? Click on this default, edit default navigation, right? And click on this button, add menu item, and over here we just write contacts. टाइप में ड्रॉप डाउन में साइट पेज, एंड पेज पे यहाँ पर आएगा कॉन्टैक्ट्स. कहाँ गया यार, ये कॉन्टैक्ट्स पब्लिकली अवेलेबल. क्लिक ऑन दिस. ठीक है, हाँ, ये लिंक हो चुका है. प्रॉब्ली आई हैव लिंक विद दैट, राइट? सो ऑब्वियसली पब्लिश तो हो ही चुका है. यू हैव टू डू, गॉट इट. ठीक है, नाउ विल कम बैक ओवर हियर. रिफ्रेश करते हैं एक बार. सो वंस यू हैव रिफ्रेश विल जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर यूआरएल लिंक, ठीक है ना, हेल्प सेंटर वाला, इस पर क्लिक करता है. ओके, ऑन द टॉप यू वुड सी मेनी ऑप्शंस हुए जो हमने बनाए भी थे सारे पेजेस के. तो लेट्स सी, in home obviously these are certain images which I've clicked over here, mentioned over here, right, with the banners. And about में if I click on about, तो about में देखो about me के इसमें मेरे बहुत सारे आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर about me जो मैंने mention भी किए हैं, all the spelling leads and all, right. If I click on the products के section में मेरे सारे products के वो आ रहे हैं, you know, products of Salesforce and so on, राइट. एंड मोर पे गया तो यहाँ पर ब्लॉग्स में, न्यूज़ में, चलो न्यूज़ में देखते हैं. न्यूज़ में, राइट, यू हैव यू नो दीज पर्टिकुलर न्यूज़. अच्छा, एक चीज़ और, अगर न्यूज़ पे क्लिक करता हूँ जैसे इंडिया ड्रीमिंग पे, एंड सेम गोज विथ अदर वर्ड, म्यूल ड्रीमिंग के भी यहाँ खुलेगी वेबसाइट, ठीक है. 72 डेज रहता है बस, ठीक है. Now if I would go on blogs, so blogs में I have my own YouTube channel जो मैंने काफ़ी pictures upload भी किए हैं, और associated the link over there. So probably I can choose one of those, जैसे stories पे करते हैं, cloud files पे click करते हैं. So this is you know how this is right.
Whatever you do, it's better with a website.
So anyway, so this is what, and contact us पे तो आपको दिख ही रहा है यहाँ पर. Contact us पे देखो, contact me में it's my name and right, mobile number and so on and everything. If I click on this Trailblazer you know ID, so I would probably land over here. So I'm a double star ranger. So guys, hard work करना पड़ेगा, right. I'm here over here. And if I click on particular LinkedIn, so obviously I'll be dragged over here. So new tab में खुलेगा ये, right. I'm on LinkedIn as well. And जो मेरा YouTube channel है टेक के है, so if I click over here, so I would be dragged on my all the playlist of my videos, ठीक है. So guys, this is how you know you create your particular thing, you create your everything over here. और मैंने बटन भी बनाया था, यहाँ पर बटन था, मैं एडिट किया था YouTube channel. So if I click over here, so I'll be again dragged, uh, I'll be opening a new tab with all the playlist of my videos in YouTube. Practicing, उसको बार बार देखो. ऐसे बहुत सारे वीडियोस हैं जो 7 मिनट्स में, 9 मिनट्स में, 10 मिनट्स में या 12 मिनट्स में बहुत फास्ट फास्ट करके बता रहा है. अब उसको अंदर डीपली नहीं बताया कि अब हम लोग कंटेंट को कैसे अपलोड करेंगे, इमेजेस कैसे करेंगे, राइट. दो इट आई नो इट्स अ सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस, बट जो मैं बता रहा हूँ इससे बेटर कोई नहीं बता पाएगा. सो गाइस, फॉलो, प्रैक्टिस, और जितना हो सके आप एक दो वेबसाइट भी खुद बना सकते हो, अपनी खुद बना सकते हो या कस्टमर के लिए बना सकते हो. और जितना एरर्स आएंगे, probably I can help you guys, right. So yes, keep loving Salesforce.